How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that jazz, right? So this is a very common rookie mistake. So brand new riders, they're just nervous about just riding around in general. They're nervous about getting up to speed, nervous about shifting gears. And then oncoming traffic, I don't want to get near the cars, so they tend to inch themselves way too close to the right-hand side of all these cars. Look at this. This is like giving me anxiety right now. If one of these car doors open up, I'm gonna have to swerve or stop. Probably can't stop because I'm going 30 miles per hour, so I'm probably have to swerve the hell out of the way. It's always best to use your brain before your skills, right? Brain before skills. So your judgment is the most important thing. You don't have to swerve over a car door, just don't ride next to cars. It's very simple, right? So let's check it out. So where do you want to be on a road like this where there's no divider in the lane? Two-lane traffic, right? So you're not going to ride on oncoming traffic, right? So where's the middle-ish of the lane? If this is dead center middle and a car is coming, well, I'm way too close, right? So if there is a line, you want to be kind of close to it. You just want to be far enough away to where if a car door opens up, you don't have to do anything. That's the best case to be. It's best case scenario. If something happens, you do not have to change your line or slow down or brake. But if you are riding too close where you have to do any of those things, well, then you know you messed up. That's just not a smart position to be in, right? That's the whole idea. Give yourself room, give yourself an escape route, give yourself wiggle room to breathe, so to speak. I hate this intersection because I can't see what the hell's going on. And I don't know what that car is doing, so they could just go. So right here, a whole bunch of cars. Riding really close like this is just dumb. I see it happen a lot. And then worse, people are riding like this and then they take like a handoff and like, oh, I'm just cruising on the beach, nothing going on. It's pretty wild, right? So if I'm riding like this, so here's the stop sign on the ground. It says stop and the line. You see where the line is at? That's like middle of the lane. So as long as you're far enough away where a car door opens up, you don't have to do anything to it, but that's just bare minimum. I'd like to go a step further than that. Not just do the bare minimum distance away from cars, but give yourself a little bit extra room. I'm pretty much almost in the center. I have enough room for cars to coming by where I'm not going to make them do anything crazy or think I'm going to oncoming traffic. But I'm not going to do just a bare minimum of the car door thing either. Someone may walk out, a kid might be chasing a ball, car might pull out in front of you, it's not paying attention, who knows what's going on, right? But just stop riding directly next to cars. See it happen way too much. And especially if you're with a bunch of people, like if you're staggered or 2x2 or however you're riding around, it's still, there's no excuse. No matter who you're riding with or how many people you're riding with, get away from these damn cars. Car door opens up, you're just going to be limited in your options and may not even have any options at all. So use your brain before your skills, people.